Ever stared at your phone, wishing all your cards could magically condense into one digital hub? You know, like your wallet, but without the physical bulk. And if you're a YouTrip card holder, you've probably wondered, can this sleek piece of plastic join the digital party in your smartphone wallet? Let's dive in and find out. First off, what exactly is a smartphone wallet? It's essentially a digital version of your physical wallet, capable of storing credit, debit, and other payment cards. Convenient, right? No more fumbling for cards or worrying about losing them. But can our beloved YouTrip card fit into this digital utopia? To answer this, we need to understand how these digital wallets work. They typically leverage a technology called NFC, or near-field communication. It's the same tech that lets you tap your card for payments. So, for a card to be added to your digital wallet, it generally needs to support NFC. Now, let's talk about YouTrip. It's a popular choice for travelers because of its attractive foreign exchange rates and cashback rewards. But does it play well with NFC and digital wallets? Well, that's where things get a bit tricky. While YouTrip is a fantastic card for spending overseas, it's primarily designed for physical transactions. As of now, YouTrip hasn't officially announced support for digital wallet integration. This means you might not be able to add it to your Apple Wallet, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay just yet. But don't lose hope entirely. Technology moves fast. What's true today might change tomorrow. YouTrip might introduce digital wallet compatibility in the future. To stay updated, keep an eye on their official website, social media channels, or app for any announcements. While we wait for that potential update, let's explore some alternatives. There are other travel cards out there that do support digital wallets. These cards offer similar benefits to YouTrip, such as competitive exchange rates and rewards. You might want to consider switching if digital wallet convenience is a top priority. Another option is to use your physical YouTrip card for in-store purchases and rely on your smartphone for online transactions. Many digital wallets allow you to store your card details for secure online shopping. To sum it up, as of now, adding your YouTrip card to your smartphone wallet isn't possible. But the future is uncertain, and things could change. For the time being, enjoy the benefits of YouTrip as a physical card or explore alternative travel cards that offer digital wallet integration. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.